In this video, I will show you how to use my DIA motion platform in SimHub. First, you need to download Visual Racing Hub program on GitHub. Then download the configurations files and put them in the My Documents folder. To generate the current configuration files, you need to run the Visual Racing Hub program. You need to change the speed and acceleration parameters. Then click on the Generate Configuration File button and save it to the SimHub folder in My Documents. If you don't have the SimHub program installed yet, you need to download it from the official website. In the SimHub program, go to Motion tab, adjust geometric parameters of your cockpit. Then you can switch to manual operation. If everything is done correctly, then the DIA motion platform should reach at the home position. Further, manual control using slider is possible. Thanks for watching.